In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an email in Constant Contact. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank screen to a polished email, ready to send or schedule, all within a few minutes. First, log in to your Constant Contact account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, you want to head over to your email tools. Look for campaigns or emails in the main navigation. Both paths lead you to the same place, your library of past emails and the controls to build something new. Next, click Create or Create Email if you see that specific option. This opens up the email builder and starts a new campaign. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to begin. If you like a head start, pick a template that matches your goal. Newsletters, announcements, promotions, and more. Templates come with pre-built sections and placeholder content, which can save you time and help maintain a consistent look. If you prefer full control, choose a blank layout. This gives you a clean canvas to design from scratch while still using the drag and drop tools. Now it's time to build your message. Add your text and keep it clear and concise. Use headings to guide the reader and keep paragraphs short for easy scanning. Drop in your images by uploading or selecting from your library and make sure they're high quality and sized appropriately so they load quickly. Add buttons for your main calls to action like Shop Now or Learn More, and link them to the exact page you want readers to visit. You can also add text links inside paragraphs for secondary actions. While you work, apply your branding. Set your brand colors, choose simple, legible fonts, and include your logo near the top for easy recognition. Consistency helps build trust and makes your emails look professional. When your content looks good, preview the email. Use the preview mode to see how it appears on both desktop and mobile, since many people read emails on their phones. Check spacing, link functionality, and image alignment. If something feels off, make quick adjustments. Finally, decide how to proceed. You can save your work to come back and refine it. Schedule the email to send at a specific date and time, or send it right away if everything is ready to go. That's it. Log in, create, customize, preview, and then save, schedule, or send. You're ready to create effective emails with confidence in Constant Contact.